Two people, same age, same city, same company, same salary. Meet Mike and Jason. Both earn $60,000 a year. 5 years later, one is stressed, broke, and living paycheck to paycheck. The other is calm, confident, and financially secure. Same income, completely different lives. So what changed? Not luck, not talent, just daily money habits. I work hard. I deserve this. Rent, $1,800 car payment, $520 eating out and coffee, 6 subscriptions and random spending, $350. Savings, whatever's left. Most months, nothing. When an emergency hits, I use my credit card. Debt grows, stress grows, money controls me. Jason earns the exact same $60,000, but payday looks different. Before spending anything, Jason saves first, $100 into retirement, $300 into an emergency fund, then he spends what's left. Rent, one $1,600 used car, paid off groceries and eating out, $450 entertainment, $300 no flexing, no unnecessary debt. Jason doesn't look rich, but he feels free. After 1 year, why am I still broke? After 3 years, I got a raise, I upgraded my apartment, I bought a newer car, more income, more bills. I increased my investments, I learned basic money skills, I started a small side hustle. Same salary growth, different choices. After 5 years, Mike is one missed paycheck away from panic. Job loss would destroy him. Jason has savings, investments, options, same salary, different habits. That's the real secret. It's not about how much you make. It's about what you do with it. Money doesn't control your future. Your daily decisions do. So ask yourself, are you living like Mike or building like Jason?